In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Power BI. Connecting a live Google Sheet to Power BI is a great way to keep dashboards current without manually exporting files. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few tips so your connection stays reliable. First, open your Microsoft Power BI app on your computer. I'm using Power BI Desktop here, which is perfect for building and testing your report before you publish it. Make sure you're on a reasonably up-to-date version so the menus look familiar. Next, open your report file. If you already have a .pbix report, go ahead and open it so you can add the new data source. If you're starting fresh, create a new report and save it right away so your changes don't get lost. From there, head to the Home tab. This is where you'll find all the core data tools. If you don't see the ribbon, expand it so you can access the data connectors. Click Get Data. Power BI supports a huge list of connectors, but for Google Sheets, the most stable approach is to use a simple web connection that reads a CSV stream. Select Web as the data source. This tells Power BI you'll provide a URL that returns data. For Google Sheets, that URL needs to output CSV. The most dependable method is to publish or share the sheet in a way that exposes a CSV endpoint. A common format is an export link that ends with format as CSV, or a gviz CSV link like tqxiout.csv. For example, you can publish a specific sheet in your workbook and use the generated CSV link, or adapt a share link so it returns CSV for the exact tab you want. Be sure the sheet's sharing settings allow anonymous access if you use the web connector, and never publish sensitive data. If the sheet is private, the web connector won't be able to authenticate, so publishing the CSV endpoint is usually the cleanest route. Paste the CSV URL into the URL field. Double-check that it points to the correct tab, especially if your workbook has multiple sheets. If your sheet has headers in the first row, that's perfect. Power BI will pick those up. Click OK. Power BI will fetch a preview. If prompted for credentials, choose Anonymous for a published CSV. In the preview, confirm your columns look right, then choose Load to bring the data into your model, or Transform Data if you want to clean types, rename fields, or filter rows. Once loaded, you can refresh to pull the latest values from Google Sheets anytime.